Welcome back to Tech Fantasy Hub. Today we're diving deep into a device that's been making waves in the tech community. Today we're delivering a comprehensive review of the Honor X9c 5G after 1 month of extensive use. This device has garnered attention for its durability and performance, but does it offer more than just toughness? Let's find out. The Honor X9c 5G boasts a sleek and slim design, measuring 162.8 by 75.5 by 8 millimeters, and weighing 189 grams. Despite its elegant appearance, it's engineered to withstand harsh conditions, featuring an ultra-tempered glass display and an IP65M rating for dust and water resistance. During our tests, it endured drops from up to 2 meters without a scratch, living up to its reputation as a tough smartphone. Equipped with a 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, the X9c delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. With a peak brightness of 4000 nits and a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen remains clear and responsive even under direct sunlight. The 3840 Hz PWM dimming ensures comfortable viewing in low-light environments, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. Under the hood, the Honor X9c is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. While it's not a powerhouse for high-end gaming, it handles daily tasks and multitasking with ease. The inclusion of Turbo RAM allows for an additional 12 GB of virtual memory, enhancing performance during intensive applications. One of the standout features is its massive 6600 mAh silicon carbon battery. In our experience, the X9c easily lasted over 3 days on a single charge with moderate use. When it's time to recharge, the 66W Honor Supercharge brings the battery back to full capacity swiftly, minimizing downtime. The dual camera setup includes a 108MP main sensor with optical image stabilization and a 5MP ultra-wide lens. In well-lit conditions, the main camera captures detailed and vibrant images. However, in low-light scenarios, the performance is average, with noticeable noise and reduced clarity. The 16MP front camera delivers decent selfies, though the image processing can be overly aggressive at times. Running on Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14, the X9c offers a user-friendly interface with features like Magic Capsule and Parallel Space. These additions enhance productivity and provide a seamless user experience. The device also supports dual stereo speakers, delivering clear and balanced audio for media consumption. After a month of rigorous testing, the Honor X9c 5G proves to be more than just a tough phone. Its combination of durability, impressive battery life, and reliable performance makes it a compelling choice for users seeking a resilient daily driver. While it may not cater to high-end gaming or professional photography needs, it excels in providing a balanced and robust smartphone experience. The Honor X9c 5G is a testament to how far smartphone technology has come, offering a blend of style, durability, and functionality that is hard to beat in its price range. If you're someone who values a long-lasting battery, a durable build, and a user-friendly interface, this phone is definitely worth considering. The Honor X9c 5G is not just a phone, it's a reliable companion for your daily adventures, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves to stay connected on the go. Its robust build ensures that it can handle the rigors of daily life, while its impressive battery life means you won't be left searching for a charger halfway through the day. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, combined with 12 GB of RAM, ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking or running resource-intensive apps. And with up to 512 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Honor X9c 5G is a well-rounded device that offers a lot of value for its price. It's not just about the specs, it's about the overall experience. From its sleek design to its durable build, from its vibrant display to its long-lasting battery, this phone has a lot to offer. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone and want something that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Honor X9c 5G is definitely worth a look. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech-savvy. And remember, the right tech can make all the difference in your daily life. Choose wisely and enjoy the journey. This is Tech Fantasy Hub signing off. See you in the next video.